Hi again, first grade. Happy Thursday. So today we are still talking about adjectives that describe quantity. Remember we talked about words that tell how many or how much. They tell you an amount or a number of something. We're going to use our mentor text, Nana in the City, today. We're just going to use a picture from there to talk about adjectives about quantity. All right, so look at this picture. And think about what's going on in this picture. What do you see happening in this picture? And how many of those things do you see? Okay, so look at the picture. Think to yourself some words about quantity that you could use, like some or many or few or little or two or all. Okay, so think of those words. Remember, you can go back and look at the anchor chart that we made. That will show you some words for you to use in your sentences. So today I'm going to practice writing a sentence that tells about the quantity of an object in the picture. So I'm going to start by sharing my paper with you. Okay, so the first thing I would say, looking at that picture, is that there are many people. Okay, what adjective in that sentence did I use to describe quantity, to tell you how many or how much, an amount of something? So I said many people. That tells you the amount of people that I see. So there are many people in that picture. All right, so something else in the picture that you see. There are some kites. Some is the adjective that describes quantity of kites. How many kites? Some kites. Okay? Now, one more sentence. There are what? What else can we talk about in that picture? There are several bikes. There's several people riding their bikes, right? So how many bikes are in that picture? Several is the amount. That is the quantity, the adjective that tells you the quantity of bikes in the picture. Okay, so we're going to go back and look at the picture again. Now you are going to get out your journal and you are going to write 2 sentences for the quantity of an object you see in the picture. Okay, so you can choose any adjective for quantity that you want to. You may use our list that we made the other day, or you can use a number word. Any number is an adjective for quantity. So you can say, there are blank blank. And then when your other sentence, you write another sentence, choose a different quantity word and a different object and say there are blank blank. So here would be your 2 sentences. There are blank blank. So quantity and object. There are quantity and object. Remember, quantity tells you the amount or how many of something. So make sure you take a picture of your 2 sentences and upload it to your Google Classroom.